Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're showing something every PS4 user wishes they knew sooner. Place your PS4 on a clean table so you can work comfortably. Make sure your PS4 is powered on so we can start checking its current condition. Listen closely to your PS4 to notice if the fan is loud or airflow sounds limited. Now power off the PS4 by holding the power button until the screen shuts down. Wait for the PS4 light bar to turn completely off. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS4. Also unplug the HDMI cable from the PS4. Disconnect any USB devices from the PS4. Move the PS4 to a position where you can clearly see its ventilation ports. Take a soft brush and gently brush the PS4 side vents to remove loose dust. Use short bursts of compressed air to clean dust from the PS4 vents. Do not blow air continuously. Keep bursts short to avoid fan overspin. Rotate the PS4 and clean the rear exhaust vents with the same careful brushing. Wipe the PS4 casing with a microfiber cloth to remove surface dust buildup. Now plug the power cable back into the PS4. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS4 and your TV. Reconnect your PS4 controller using the USB cable. Before powering on the PS4, place your hand behind it to check airflow direction. Power on the PS4 and wait for the home screen to appear. If your PS4 still feels slow, we'll rebuild the database next. Shut down the PS4 from the power menu. Wait until the PS4 light turns completely off again. Press and hold the PS4 power button until you hear 2 beeps. This puts your PS4 into safe mode. Connect the PS4 controller to the console with a USB cable. Press the PS button on the PS4 controller. Select option 5, Rebuild Database on the PS4 Safe Mode menu. Confirm the PS4 rebuild action and allow the system to process. This reorganizes how the PS4 stores files for smoother performance. Wait patiently while the PS4 rebuild completes. When the PS4 restarts, it should feel noticeably faster. Now we will clear the PS4 cache to remove old temporary data. Turn off the PS4 again completely. Unplug the PS4 power cable from the back. Let the PS4 sit unplugged for at least 60 seconds. This fully clears the internal PS4 cache memory. Plug the PS4 power cable back in and power it on. Once the PS4 menu loads, go to Settings. Scroll to Storage and open it. Highlight applications on the PS4 storage screen. Look for games you no longer play on the PS4. Carefully delete unneeded titles to free PS4 system space. More storage space allows the PS4 system to run more efficiently. Now open the PS4 notifications panel. Press Options and select Delete All to clear old update logs. Go back to the PS4 home screen. Open Settings again and scroll to System. Select Automatic Downloads and turn off unnecessary auto downloads. This prevents the PS4 from slowing down during gameplay. Now examine where your PS4 is placed in your room. Make sure your PS4 is not inside a closed cabinet or tight space. Give your PS4 at least a few inches of space on all sides for airflow. Check that nothing is blocking the PS4 rear exhaust vents. Good airflow helps keep the PS4 cool and quiet longer. Restart the PS4 to confirm everything is running properly. Listen again to the PS4 fan to hear if it now sounds cleaner and smoother. Your PS4 should now be faster, cooler, and more stable. This is a simple routine that can extend your PS4 lifespan significantly. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. If this helped your PS4, be sure to subscribe.